black button, just like the ones that we got in our rooms.
Hold on, someone looking at it. What's up, man?
Ah, cool. And a working indicator. Look at that. Hopefully, penthouse is not just open right up. I don't think it would. That's weird.
Yeah.
I forget, is this the first working black button that I've seen in Denver? I've seen several others elsewhere, but
This might be the first you've seen.
yeah. Here we are.
Let's go back down and get another rod.
I like how they have the attendant.
Oh yeah, they have. I'm assuming this is for attendant service. This.
Most older elevators did have attendant service as an option, and the reasoning for that was because a lot
Look
of
at this
people
old
were,
carpet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, doorman would operate it usually, anyways.
Yeah, people were afraid to operate elevators.
That's funny.
Are we stopping on one?
I guess so. Oh, I think that's from when someone might have pressed it.
We didn't press one.
Otis.
Look at how warped the door is.
Oh my God, yeah, no
Because
kidding.
it's that fake fiberboard stuff. Nice gap, though. Pretty decent.
Let's get back in. Love the old Otis logo.
Yeah, Otisito. Does this have a classic leveling?
I think it might.
We'll just take it for this ride and then we'll head out. Can I look at the COP after we get to the top?
For sure.
Okay. Get a good COP picture and stuff. I don't think he does it classic.
Yeah, I think it just stops before it does. Look at this old fire alarm. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Old Simplex 4051. That's Firelight, actually. That's it.